bending over today. Boy, look at the water just flying over the top down there. Whoa! That gust there and there took me off my feet. Woo! Water's coming right over the top. That was a big wave to throw over the top of this. Because we're up high, man. Wipe off the lens here a little bit, maybe. That's a little bit better. Recognize this when it's dry. Man, is it cold out here today. Woo! Lens. Look for a little lens cap. All wet all.
Just look at go over the end of that island.
Right. Yeah, it's hard to get so much water. You just gotta get the wind's picking up. Probably hear it. I don't know if you can hear me, but man, there. That is just. Man, listen to that. Fishing? Straight again home.